Okay, first of all, let me say hello to all of you, and I want to tell you that the Geopoetic Camp we're going to do together is going to be really fun. I'm not saying this because you're young and you need to have the word fun in everything we do, but it's going to be like that because you're going to explore a lot of yourself. You're going to be in charge a lot during the camp. We are there with you, we are there for you, but we are not your guides or bosses. We want to share with you the experience of being in the landscape together, and to understand how much beauty and power and energy you can find in the landscape for yourself and your daily life. This is not about learning something that is only abstract. This is something that will stay with you, we hope, for a long time, and will give you the possibility to explore and travel and make journeys wherever you go, also with a different attitude from typical attitude we do when we travel. So basically we will put everything in discussion, but we will explore a lot, because the biggest technology we do have is our body, our senses, our perception, our intelligence, and our way of facing a new adventure together. That's what we hope to do together, but to do that together we need your help. So that's what I feel like saying to you. See you then. So we're gonna meet on the 22nd of July and in the morning, and we're gonna spend 2 full days together, but also the second night, because we're gonna spend a lot of time in conversation among us, walking, eating, taking some free time to think and sharing an experience where we, Robert and me, and Robert especially on the scientific side, but also on the poetic side, is a very poetic scientist. We will try to show you in a different light this part of Minett that we're going to explore together. Think about exploration, an old way exploration. We are only using ourselves as technology. Our body is the biggest technology we have. Well, so it's going to also a very physical experience that we're going to experience together. Without our body, our mind and our spirit are really at loss. So be ready for the adventure and the exploration. With Geopoetic, without any pretense to be better than school, but we think that you can see that things are not divided, that the world is one, and in this world that is one, you are one, and we are one with the world. So what should you do with Geopoetics in your life? Can you go to the supermarket or buy a new phone with Geopoetics? I don't think so. What I think is that with Geopoetic you can have a different view on your relationship with the environment, that the environment is not something else from you, but you are the environment, that you are the ecology, that your mind, your spirit is the ecology that you have in relationship with your home, which is this Mother Earth, the only Earth we have, our house. So this is what Geopoetic aims to. It aims to show you that it's like when you love a song or a movie or like a book or some creative expression, that will teach you a lot about the importance of your emotions. Because when you're very young, and when you're not very young like I am, because I'm getting older, of course, sometimes we feel that our emotions are not so much considered, and our emotions are instead so important. And there has been studies, scientific studies about this, but we had to apply that. And Geopoetic is also about emotions, a lot. Your emotions and your response to the environment around you. That's what we aim to give to you for the rest of your life, we hope.